Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm recording this video for all those who are in first year of their graduation and are looking forward to make a successful career in tech. Then this video is definitely for you. So I have one of my senior who is currently working at Walmart as an SDE2 to guide you all. So hello sir.
हेलो।
यस सर। तो आप कृपया बच्चों को गाइड करिए कि उनको क्या करना चाहिए।
Okay, so basically, I'm right now in Walmart HD2. I'm from 2022 batch from the same college. Means I had already passed out in 2022. I was actually 2018 batch. And uh, this video is about if you want to build a successful tech career. So here is the roadmap that I will tell you how you can do this in very simple way. And this video is mainly for the students who are currently pursuing in studying in the first year or have not yet uh, into the first year. So don't worry, we are here to guide you. So here is a clear and structured roadmap for first year to final year. So if you are in the first year, then this roadmap is very beneficial for you, and this video will give you roadmap to follow for till your final year. So stay tuned for this, and let's start it. First year. So first of all, yet right now this is the end of the June, so I think so that JOSA counseling is going on and other counselings are also going on. So this time, since you are occupied with the counselings, so I'm not gonna tell you to do something, but if you are thinking that you are a little bit free, so I will suggest you to learn or start learning any programming language like C++, Java or Python. And if you will ask me, then if you I will say that you should start with C++. Okay, don't go with the C. Just start with the C++, and don't even go with the Python also, because in the interviews no one generally asks anything related to the Python. Everyone generally asks related to the C++ or Java. So I would suggest that you should go with the C++. And also, if you don't want that, you should want because after the hectic 12 you want to little bit enjoy. So I would not suggest you to go with the C++. When you will be in the college after 1-2 months, then you can start with the C++. But this is the roadmap. It's on you when you want to start it. Okay, so start with the C++. And then what I will suggest you to improve your communication in English, since I am suggesting you to start with the C++, because when you will go into the college, as soon as you go into the college after 1 or 2 months, there will be contest organized by the clubs present in the college. So it would be much better for you to perform from the very beginning, also from the very beginning of the college. If you will talk about me, I had also, because I was from an ICSC board school, so I had already little bit knew about the Java language, so it was very easier for me. And in the first year, I had taken 4 contests and organized by the college, and in all the contests, I was top from my year. So it will build a strong what I can say that motivation and a recognition in the seniors as well as in the professors. So it is much better for you to start as soon as possible. Start with the C++ language, and it's not that hard. You can give 1 or 2 hours a day, and it will be much more than enough for you to start with it. Then I would suggest that also whenever you will go into the college, as soon as you go into the college, do one thing, that start using LinkedIn. Create your profile, start using LinkedIn, and we will provide another lecture, another video for how to how to start or how to use LinkedIn. Okay, so don't worry about that, but you can do basic like create profile and follow your college seniors and all those college students from the same year. And then I would also suggest that since in the first semester you will be focusing on the semester, plus you will be focusing on any programming language. But I would suggest in the second semester you should try to explore different fields. Like there are mainly three fields. I will not go much into deep about that, but the three fields are web development, app development, and AI/ML. Uh, if we'll talk about the IoT and other fields that also come inside the AI/ML field, so I would suggest that explore field which the field which excites you, so that you can pursue that field with concentration for in the second year. And I would say that in the first year there will be a lot of uh, functions organized by the college, so enjoy in that and just enjoy your college first life. You just have to do a simple programming language. You have to just learn about simple programming language like C++ or Java, and you have to just explore the field which excites you to follow for the next year. Then we should come to the second year. Now when since you had already explored each and every field, so now you have to pursue one field. Like if you want that you should be doing web development, so you should full-fledgedly go into the web development field, and you have to explore each and everything for the uh, web development field. If you will give 2 to 3 hours for web development, then it is very easier for you to learn the web development in the third semester. Also, I would suggest that it's on you whether you want to continue DSA with the web development, or you want to first do the development and then you want to do start with the DSA. But DSA is very important for the technical rounds and interviews, so I would suggest that you should also focus on the DSA. And I think that you can organize your day like 2 hours for web development and 1 hour for DSA, and you can practice DSA on lead code. First of all, you have to follow any channel for the DSA, but I would suggest that this channel Miss Logic is also very beneficial for you if you want to do DSA, because there are a lot of lectures already uploaded, and soon we are planning also uh, to start with the DSA lectures for from easy to the hard level. So it will be very beneficial for you to subscribe to this channel and follow this channel also. But you can also follow the Striver or some other channel for DSA learnings. Now in the fourth semester, you should focus on building projects. Like if you had pursued the field of web development, then I would suggest that you should build e-commerce website, full-fledged e-commerce website plus chat WhatsApp website or social media website. These are the main websites, and these are because there are not so many things that have not yet been made. So you just have to learn by doing. So it is the better way to learn when you will do make projects. Okay, and I would also suggest one thing that if you want to learn and if you want the resources for web development, I would suggest that you should go with the Angela U in the Udemy. You can buy that course and start web development. For AI/ML, I don't know much about it, so I cannot tell any resources about that. But you can ask that from your seniors. And for app development, you can simply go and buy any course from the Udemy. The course provided on the Udemy is very good for app development. I would suggest that you can buy it, and it's not that high priced. It is just for 400 to 500 rupees for lifetime. So it will be very beneficial deal for you to purchase and then learn. And because don't ever think that you will learn from the YouTube. It's not a way I will recommend you. You should always try to learn from a structured path. And when you will buy a course, the course will help you to structurize your learning, and that is very important thing for anyone who is new to the field. So let's move to the third year. Now in the third year, make good projects. Like make projects on your own. Try to explore the field in deep. Like if you want to if you had pursued AI/ML, so now just make projects of AI/ML. Deploy your ML projects, ML algorithms, or learn about learn deep more about it. Study the research papers. If you are in app dev, then I would suggest that you should also make apps like Instagram with full features like social media, reels scrolling, plus chat, plus like and follow. All these things you have to do. Also, when you are in the third year, you should also apply for internships. With first in the third year, for the 5th semester you can work on any good project, and for the 6th semester you can apply for the internships and give hackathons, contests, also improve your ratings. From the 3rd year only you should start giving contests on the coding platforms like Lead Code or CodeChef or Code Forces. This is very important for cracking the interview round. Also, whenever you will go to the hackathons, you should also build resume. Don't worry about the resume. We will bring another video related to the resume also soon. So don't worry about that. Now for the final year, since you had already done with everything, you are already mastered the technical field, technical knowledge. So in the final year, since you have to firstly focus on the on-campus companies, and for on-campus companies you have to focus on the core CS, like core CS subjects like DBMS, OOPS, operating system, computer network. These are the subjects that you have to focus in the summer vacation before the final year, so that you can easily crack the on-campus companies that will visit in your college. I would also suggest not to focus more on off-campus, because right now the scenarios is not very good. Even my company has also not recruited a single person, not a fully fledged person or employee. Uh, I'm not talking about that they are not recruiting new employees. I'm saying that the number of employees they are recruiting, they are also laying off even more than the number of the employees they are recruiting. So technically, if we will talk, then it will gonna be balanced out, and somewhat they are laying off more rather than recruiting. So that's also main thing. Uh, Practice DSA, give contest, improve your rating, be knight or guardian on the lead code. Also, see for interviews, CP is not that important. Competitive programming is not that important. The main thing which matters is the DSA. So till now you had already been practiced a lot of DSA, and till now you should master uh, hard problems that come on lead code. So it is very important for you. Also build resume with the good score. Don't worry about the resume. I'll bring a separate video for resume also. So this is the path that you can follow if you are in the first year or you are about to go in the first year, and this is the uh, best path I would suggest in a simple short video without wasting much time. Also please like and share the video. Don't subscribe my videos. Also bonus advice for you, don't compare yourself to others, because whenever you will go to the college now, you will think that this person, maybe because I was also from the ICC board, and many in my college were from CBSE board, so always they were like comparing with me. Yeah, you had already studied Java from the 4 year. I was like, oh wow. So I had studied because I had that capability. You were also, because in CBSE board also they were having options to choose computer application, but no one chooses that. Everyone thinks that just go with the physical education. So it's not my problem. Na? They had to focus on their future also. Also be consistent. See, one thing I will say, be consistent. No matter you are giving 20 minutes per day, but be consistent. Don't ever leave a day that yeah, it's enough for me now, I don't have to do, and let's take a rest for a week. Never ever uh, never ever do gaps between your learning. It will always harm you and harm your learning. Also stay curious and never stop building. Please stay strong and motivated, and thanks a lot for watching my video. Thank you very much.